Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am Shikha. Today we will make one more Christmas tree. This is a very simple Christmas tree. To make that we require very simple material. That is an A3 size sheet. We need a big green sheet and we can create the whole thing out of it also. And if you wish, you can use this disco paper also. And a small piece of red glitter sheet. A scale, pencil, scissor and compass. Before we start, I want to request you all to do subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start. What we'll do is, I have this piece of paper. I have opened the compass to the highest, whatever it can do. And first we'll make a circle. You can also take a big circular object for that, like a plate and all. You can do that also. So I am making a biggest circle which is possible. I don't have to cut this circle. What we'll do is, now this is my center point. I don't have to cut the whole thing. With the help of a scale, I'll make a center line. I need just one part of it. So 1/4 part I require. What I'll do is, I will make one more line at a gap. Now we will cut this line and I will just join it like this. We just need this line. We don't have to cut this line, okay? And we will cut this line, cut this part. So basically we need just this part. So with the help of a scissor, we'll cut it. We don't have to cut this, please keep in mind, okay? This is what we require. But we require the rest of the sheet, we'll keep it aside. Now what we'll do is, we'll just cut this area. And we'll cut this circular part. Now what we will do is, we will just roll it and this extra part we will fold it. So what I'm doing is, with the help of a scale, I'm making a crease. We'll apply the Fevicol over here. And we will just roll it, okay? Make sure you have to join the edges, okay? Because if we'll not join the edges, we'll not be able to make it stand. We have to make our tree stand. I have to hold it for a while so that it gets pasted easily. Done? And you all can see. So this is, you can also use a cap. If you already have a birthday cap, you can use that also. And we will keep it aside. This is done. Now the next step is, with the help on this sheet, with the help of a scale, we will be making some lines. We have to cut the lines. So I am taking 1 inch, almost 1.5 inch lines. We'll make, okay, we'll keep it here. And I'm taking the full width of my scale. So if your scale is not 1.5 inches, then make 1.5 inches line. Don't make very small ones, okay? Thin ones will make it will be a problem for you. So just 3-4 big lines we require. We'll cut them. Now we have these strips ready with us. What we will do is, we'll just fold them. And now we have to put the cuts, but we will not go till the end, okay? Make sure you cut it just this till this point. You have to do it freehand. Don't go till the end, okay? Now we have to do this to all the strips, okay? And what we'll do is we'll just roll them in any one direction. I'm rolling them outside. This is the first step. We have to do the same step with the rest of the strips. Now what we'll do is, this is already dry, okay? So we will be applying Fevicol and we will be rolling it around. Just apply the Fevicol randomly. And we'll just roll it around. We'll keep rolling it. Now we'll roll the next one. If you have extra, you can even cut that. Like this is done, but it's not done yet. You can see this. If I have this much extra, we can just cut this. And a simple tree is ready. And in case we have to do this, so you can later also do it a little bit. Our simple tree is ready. Now what we will do is we will make a star and we'll place it on top. So I have this sheet. I'm making a simple star. I'll cut that. Now we'll do the same step over here. We'll put a little cut and we will place it in the center. That's it. You can apply a pinch of Fevicol and you can just place it. And again, that's optional. If you have these red stone stickers, like I have these big red stone stickers, if you want, you can just place it somewhere in between. So you can see your simple Christmas tree is ready. As I told you, you can also use those disco sheets, which I was talking to you is this one. You can also take this paper. You can also create the same effect and the tree with this paper. So our simple Christmas trees are ready. We are coming up with so many different things for Christmas, for decorations. So do subscribe the channel if you are new to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for all the latest updates. I hope you will definitely create this and share it with us. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.